Hello everyone, welcome to my March vlog. March has been filled with different research activities, wins and growth that I've noticed. March is also the halfway of my apprenticeship, and looking back at everything, I'm just grateful for how far I've come. Let me just say that also I didn't know how to use a MacBook before I started my apprenticeship, and this apprenticeship has really honed my skills in that regard. And also I'm getting better in using Microsoft Excel, all thanks to this apprenticeship as well. So we're preparing for a production called Baby Bird and Bee, and so that's what I've been trying to do of late, just database work and data entry and research. So there's a course called Fundraising Strategy by A&B Cymraeg. I quickly stopped by to attend the session. I love the environment, very zen, great environment for learning. This session was facilitated by Rachel from A&B Cymraeg. I had an amazing time during these sessions because they were very practical. She started with really knowing your elevator pitch, writing your business plan, if you have an idea, knowing potential sponsors and funders and organizations that may want to really sponsor and fund your projects, to calculations. And I also got to network with people from the industry. Back to the office now, carrying out my usual tasks. Part of my task as well for this month is to do content planning for a TikTok account for 30 euro, as we are planning to start that as soon as possible. Given that I have background in digital marketing management, I feel like some of my area of expertise can come in play right in that aspect, so that we can see how that can move the organization forward in terms of marketing. Another exciting news is that I got a bursary for the How Today Copywriting course by Arts Marketing Association. So I'm going to do that course this month as well, and I hope to learn a lot from it. So I'm really grateful. I'm going to end my vlog with this from AMA: Write without fear, edit without mercy. Thank you for watching. Bye.